Okay, time for unboxing video of Elsie from The World God Only Knows. Great figure that my girlfriend Megan got for me for Christmas, and I love her for that. Okay, so this is the box. The writing in Japanese of the name. So, there's a little bit of a glare, but it's Elsie. Let's see, sideways art. Back art. All things good, you know. Alright, this is fancy. Oh, I dropped it. First part is her. She's got all this tape around it or something. And shut up. Got it. Oh, there's one around her arms too. What is that? What is that even protecting? It's nothing. Okay, we got her completely out. Next up is her magic. That's pretty simple. Pretty flexible too. It's good. Oh my gosh, this is sweet packaging. Flexible too. That's nice. This is a beautiful figure. It's probably expensive. Oh no, her hand's never gonna fit in that. No idea. Directions. Wow. That's definitely different. Take her around for it all. Oh, you have to. I don't know if you can see that. You gotta take her head off and her arms. Sorry, Elsie. This has to happen. Just let it happen. Yo, oh my gosh, this feels terrible. What am I doing? Killing your favorite character. Oh god, that was... I'm sorry. Oh, it makes me sick. Looks like I put this on her butt first. Okay, first step is done. She's on the jar, which is on the stand. Now let's put her together. Now, we have a finished product. That's so nice. There she is, in all of her glory. Yep. Well, that's about it. Here's the rest of my cabinet again. I think I'm going to reorganize it soon, but... Alright. See you next time.